AI helped me a lot, especially with my autism in my work, especially Notebook LM. Notebook LM is fantastic. The briefs, journals, and explanations. Yeah, 100%. So I have a lot of students. I have a lot of people who are autistic or neurodivergent and way neurospicy. And they all tell me, absolutely, AI has been a lifesaver. So people with ADHD, people with various different diagnoses have found AI to be incredibly useful in everyday life. So a lot of the power users I know are neurodivergent in some form or on the spectrum. So it's a very useful tool. This is also what annoys me when people will just blanket say artificial intelligence is useless and nobody will find a use for it. And anyone who uses it is an idiot. Like, I find it incredibly offensive because there are many people for whom these tools are life-changing. So I do a lot of work with a refugee charity, and the people that they help are not first language English speakers. So having something like ChatGPT to help you talk to the Home Office, for example, to help to translate, to help explain what certain documentation means, to help with integrating into life in the UK and like working out how do you get a bus, like basic things like that you wouldn't necessarily think of. But when you come from another country and English is not your first language, suddenly having this assistant that can talk to you in your language and then help you with stuff in English, that's incredibly valuable. So anyone who denigrates AI saying only idiots use it, are not thinking broadly enough. I think, I don't want to be too mean, but I think the people who can't work out how to use AI in their life, they're the ones who aren't thinking hard enough. If you cannot find a use for it, then that means you haven't tried that hard, or you haven't used it beyond naive applications like use it as Google, which it can do a lot more with. So exactly, the people with neurodivergent, incredibly useful tool. We need to make these tools more available and educate more people in them so that they can help more people.